Groundwater level in major global cities is heavily depleting. In major Indian cities, the number of wells having groundwater at greater depth has increased according to the Central Groundwater Board's CGWB report. When the groundwater level goes below 2000 feet, pumping water becomes really challenging. When there are many pump manufacturers still trying to develop the pump that can lift water beyond the 2000 feet, C.R.I has been successful in delivering pumps that can lift water in tough situations like beyond 2,200 feet below the ground level. C.R.I is the first company in India that has products to pump water from such depths. When we get challenges like this, we usually analyze various parameters before developing the pumps. Installing 2000 feet bore itself is a big challenge. Some of the other difficulties we analyze include diameter, the yield of the borewell, parameters, quality of the water hardness, pH, TDS, soil condition, installation head, power fluctuation, water demand of the customers, life and maintenance of pumps, running hours, switching frequency, and required HP rating. While designing the pump set for borewell application for higher depth, there is a diameter restriction, and also there is a requirement of higher rating motors with multi-stage pump set. Also, to avoid the dry run, the discharge yield of the borewell is a major constraint. When we dig high-depth borewell, the water quality itself shall be with more hardness and higher TDS. Considering these factors, we use high-grade quality corrosive-resistant components in the pump and motors for durability. During the course of running, as well as frequent on and off of the pump set, there is high heat along with more thrust load impact on the pump set. To absorb high thrust load and for better cooling of the motor, we have designed the motors in such a way with superior grade self-lubricated bearings and thrust pad. For more depth, we need higher stage pumps. For such case, C.R.I has specially designed 125mm 5 inches motor for rigid performance and 100mm 4 inches split type coupled pump to make sure all the rotating parts are well balanced for better mechanical stability and trouble-free operation. The customer invests enormous money to install the pump set for higher depths and expects for trouble-free operation and less maintenance. We have regarded these aspects and worked on the necessary bush brackets, bearings, heavy locking strips, split type pumps, etc. to perform under wide voltage fluctuations and for the efficient running of the motor. These motors are designed with high-grade 99.97% virgin copper winding wires, low-watt lost silicon stampings and automated induction silver-braced copper rotors. Using these above parameters and after numerous experiments, we formulated the right algorithm to recommend the client a perfect pumping solution to solve their water crisis and withdraw water from beyond 2000 feet.